Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to translate stories on Wattpad. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Wattpad application. You can see over here Wattpad application has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to translate the stories, first of all, what you have to do is simply tap on the story that you want to read. Now you can see over here that particular story will be opened. Simply tap on the option read or continue that you'll be able to see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to read the story. So in Wattpad you'll not be able to find the direct way in order to translate the story. There is no inbuilt feature for that. So if you want to translate the story, it is actually very simple. You can simply use this trick. So for that, what you have to do is look at bottom. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the share option that you can see at third. Once you do that, you'll be able to find various options for sharing. Find the option for copy link and tap on it. Now you can see over here the link will be copied. Now what you have to do is open the browser which allows you to translate. Here I'm just going to open Google Chrome. Once you do that, tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is paste the link over here. You can paste it from the clipboard. Now once you do that, search for it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to read it over here. So if you want to translate it, it is actually very simple. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option translate. Now you can see over here the page will be translated to the selected language. Simply tap on the gear icon. Now you'll be able to find the option for more languages over here. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to see bunch of languages. Simply tap on the language that you want to translate to. Wait for a while. Once you do that, you can see over here all the content will be translated. Now you'll be able to read the story in this particular language. So that is how you translate stories on Wattpad. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.